welcome back to another video. Today I will show you handheld full-size glue gun. Let's check it out what we have inside the box. Here we have the glue sticks. We have plenty of them. Product specifications. Here we go. Handheld glue gun. Here we have, there are some specifications here. And the indicator lights, warm-up time, it is 90 seconds. Let's try to put the battery in it first. Battery is in. Here we have some glue sticks. Let's take one of them and put it inside like that. Now that's good. We can go ahead and turn it on. As you see, there is red light there. Basically, this is on. We're gonna wait 90 seconds to warm it up. During that time, I can show you, we can put this on the bed. I have some wood work like that, plastic, paper. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, some of them, and see the results. It's getting hotter and hotter. Let's see. Right now it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and try first plastic to plastic, maybe here. Left side. How about wood to wood, right there. And maybe put one over here, right there. That's awesome. How about paper? Maybe I can put the paper right there and show it to you like that. Right now I need one more stick and then we're gonna put it right there. Alrighty. Let's fill this out. You can pull it out the other side. And now done. That's very successful. And I can try to use on the metal right here on the left side too. How about plastic, solid plastic to wood on the right side. Do you see this? It is just melting very quick. This is what I wanted. Alrighty. Okay. Now we're doing great. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it is ready in 90 seconds, basically. And you don't have to have the wires. You see, here is the protection mat. You can just put it right there, wherever you want, like that. And it's not gonna damage anywhere. The battery like that. And also we have so many glue sticks right here. It comes with the box. That's why I can suggest this product. Let's turn it off and we are done. Whenever you are done with that, you can just take out the battery and then clean up the tip and then put it away. Let's check the final product. Everything is glued together. Wow, check this out. How about this one? That's awesome.